Alright, today we're going to build a simple but super useful meme generator app. You'll be able to use it to create memes exactly like the one on screen right now. Before we dive into the tutorial, please do me a quick favor and hit that like button. To make our lives easier, we're going to use Gemini to generate the boilerplate code for us, based on the project structure we define here. First, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Then, go ahead and set up your virtual environment using this command, just like I am doing here. Next, let's create the necessary directories and files for the project. Now I'm going to paste in the boilerplate code that Gemini provided. Once that's all done, head over to your terminal and run the application. And there we go. You should now see the meme generator interface. Simply upload an image, type in your top and bottom text, and hit generate in just a few seconds. You'll have your fresh meme ready to go. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. This is your boy, the Quick Tech Guy.